Welcome to day 4 aboard the Enchanted Princess. Today we're in Bar Harbor. We got in pretty early. The tender boats lowering woke me up at like 6:30 in the morning. They are very loud, I will say that. So they're already letting people off the ship and have been for about an hour. I am finishing downloading my historic walking tour that I'm very excited about. So that is all audio, and I have my headphones ready to go, and we're gonna go walk around the town and learn some things. So yeah, have the historic walking tour. Once that's finished downloading, I'm going to head down to the Elite Lounge where I can get priority disembarkation access. I will say one thing that I find a little strange is I get it in other countries. However, you're not allowed to take coffee off the ship. And it is 59 degrees outside. I would like a hot cup of coffee while I walk around, but you can't carry them off. We're still in the US. I don't understand, but that's okay. Just know you can't do that. So yeah, should be a fun day walking around Bar Harbor. Hoping to get a lot of really good footage. I will let you know how the walking tour goes. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Let's get started. Good afternoon. So, got off in Bar Harbor, had a lovely day. The walking tour was a little shorter than I thought it was going to be and kind of ended abruptly. Apparently there's storm damage that's on a bunch of the historic walking tour, so they can't have you continue, which is a little disappointing. But I learned a lot. a few more details from what we learned on Ollie's Trolley last year. But yeah, it was a fun excursion. And then after that, I went, and it ended on a little rocky beach. I spent a lot of time on that beach, just sitting there, taking pictures, taking video. The sound was amazing. I'd never been on a beach that was all rocks, and like hearing the rocks tumble against each other, it was so relaxing. Tide was starting to come in though, and as I was sitting there, all of a sudden a big wave came in, and my butt got wet. It like was just like a half inch of water, so then I looked like I peed myself for the rest of the day. But that's okay. It was beautiful. It was fun. I sat there. I moved to a drier spot, tried to let things dry a little bit before going and looking around the town a little bit more. And just, it was a really delightful time. I got a lobster roll, which was amazing, at the Sunshine Cafe. Really enjoyed that. And then I came back on the ship and just did some of the filming that I needed to do, walked around, had gelato, and watched a game of giant Jenga. But yeah, I mostly focused on getting some of the filming done while the ship was pretty empty today. So had a good time with that. And then I sat out on the deck and read for a little bit. Just kind of enjoyed the scenery and the air. It was a beautiful day today. And now I am off to catch a cocktail making class down in the piazza, and then I'll be doing dinner at O'Malley's. There's a production show tonight, probably more karaoke watching as long as no one sings my way. I did abruptly leave karaoke last night when that song came on. I do not like that song. It has been overdone. And then there's another game show that is rated 16 plus, so could get crazy. So yeah, that is my plan for the rest of the evening, so let's go.
Now I'm gonna add on our tall glass. As you can see, look at the color. Just pay attention to that. So now instead, if you're gonna add some citrus in it, it might change the color. But now we're gonna add our garnish, and of course our fresh cut lime. Abracadabra! Oh, sorry. Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Next one. Paris, France. Yes, nicely done. Next one.
Sydney.
Folks, you cannot help the other family. That's not how the game works.
It's okay, we accept you as the other family. Unless you're winning points for yourself.
Next one.
Dubai. DXP, Dubai.
Dubai. Another point there. So
You have the best view in the house.
Yeah, listen, I apologize profusely. I'm very sorry.
She's the lucky one. And quite simply, folks, if you can walk without that card falling down, now let me tell you, you can even do a light jog. You have a perfectly tight bum fuzzle, and
All right, and that is a wrap of day 4 here aboard the Enchanted Princess. What a great day. I don't know if I mentioned it in the afternoon vlog, but I did get to meet 2 other subscribers, Tammy and John, on the way back to the ship aboard the tender. So that was awesome, and shout out to them. Thanks for watching. So yeah, this afternoon, we had dinner at O'Malley's, which was amazing. Best cheesecake I've ever had. Their Bailey's cheesecake, like, you need to get on a princess ship for that cheesecake. Just saying. And then we did the production show, Rock Opera, amazing. I'm going to go more into depth about that in the entertainment review, but it was awesome. We did 2 game shows and karaoke, and just all in all had a really chill, relaxed, awesome night. So yeah, that really wraps up for the day. Another great day. This has been an amazing trip so far. Tomorrow is a sea day, so I've got a little bit of work to get done, and then there's a lot going on board the ship, including some behind the scenes stuff, which I love. So I hope you will join me for day 5 aboard the Enchanted Princess as we have our sea day with lots of activities. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.